So you first wrap your shoe last. Still wrapping it. Come on, sir. Thank you. So wrap halfway. So this is process of removing pattern remover though. Yeah. For a debut shoe. For a debut. So see the wrapping, how we get to wrap. Ma? Mom, just bring anything. Bring anything.
The place we touch.
And this place?
Yeah.
Or it's only this side?
Yeah, no, this side. So you put here, the place, this side we touch.
So what's this called?
The feather edge.
Feather edge?
Yeah.
So, Mom, see? That one dey okay? Check now?
No, you just check. The place, no, here it's not flat. They put on flat too. No, because the ruler is straight, that's why I didn't do it. You see, using this board, you know, this place.
You like which part of this?
This is not the measurement.
Okay.
This now only flat place you take.
You check this flat
You check where this place will touch.
okay.
You mark that place.
You divide out by 2. 4.5.
Yeah.
Then straight length of the 31 by 5.
Yeah.
30 by 5.
Yeah.
That is 6 plus 1. So that would be, what's that point called?
Back height.
Yeah?
The back height point.
Back height.
Yeah. Or the counter point, right? Counter point. More.
Yeah. Emotion. Yeah.
This measurement.
But it's okay like this now.
Any pattern.
How about? Go down.
This one is loaded for
Yeah? Yeah. So this point is, what do you call this?
I don't know the name.
But it's just by dividing this into 2. That
Yeah.
is
This now is the van point.
good. So you still divide this into 2. Now 19, 18 point
5,
by 2.
925.
Curve.
Yeah. This place now curve or direct?
More do curve. Do curve. But no do open lacing, no. No do close lacing.
Close?
Say that Loafer. Ah, yeah. So what would be the guide to give you this now? So what would be the guide to give you this curve here?
The guide?
Yeah.
What is guide?
Is there any measurement you use to get this curve here?
The curve now more now on the
It's
heel.
on the heel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If the iron no deal, they just the length of the last by 4 9 they give us this thing. So if there's no iron to connect to the heel, they just divided the length of the last by 4.
Measure this. Let's see whether it will give us. Well, 30. The length of the heel of the last is 30. Whether it will give us 6 here. Let's
6?
see. Yes, now 30 by 4. Sorry, 30 by 4 is how many?
7.5.
It's okay. I'll continue. Chiquito. Passa, nigga. Yeah, bro, yeah. Let me run that shit. Yeah, man. Let them move on.
This one come
Huh?
this back.
No, come on.
So
You can't get it.